I want to show you the latest update and the alteration that I made for my guest house. I'm walking down the stairs because this is the area where I want to show you. Here in the septic tank, I decided to take off the stairs here to make the septic tank area, in which I will cement in the future after this is all broken up, to be wider. Anyway, this is not part of the structure. You can see it was just an afterthought design, in which now I decided that it doesn't really go and it's not needed. So although it is built strongly, you can see all the railings, I'll just have to take it off because it just don't make sense. At first, when I thought about this, I thought it was a good idea, but the more I look at it now, I don't think it matched the design. It has to be taken off, all cemented around here, then tiled to make everything tidy. So at the same time, I'm gonna take off that beam because you can see it serves no purpose. It's not even attached to the main structure of the house. When I had this made, I thought it was a good idea, but now I know it wasn't. It's not really essential or needed. This is just one of those things that has to be changed because I already had this stairs. And another one that I made is that little stairs in the corner. I have it taken off as well because I want the area here in the garden to be all tiled. That will be rendered and tiled so it's all get tidied up. You can see it's made of 16 mm rebars and it's a really strong stairs, but it's actually served no purpose there. It's just getting dirtier and dirtier by the rain from this coconut tree. So look, I got loads of coconut now. And the stairs seems to be just unnecessary anymore because I got that big stairs coming down. And so this area here can be landscaped. Put tiles in there. It would be more nicer than that little stairs on the way, so it's all leveled up. The painting done, but I think it needs another coat. We stopped doing the outside because it was raining for a few days. And now that it's not raining, Junelle is absent. So when he come back, he'll have to give this side of the house another coat of white paint and continue painting with the rest of the outside area. Now that I've broken up those extra stairs here on the corner, and I will be taking out that beam because it served no purpose. It's not even connected to the main house. So I will be building a path from the main stairs here in the back, the big main stairs. I'll have a path going around, connecting there So there's a pathway that I could walk around, and the dirt will not be going in the pathway nor going on the stairs. So, but there are patches of area where it be planted with different ornamental plants. And also here,